This is Numbers with Nicole. I'm going to finish up the Now You Try problems. In the previous video, I covered 1 to 3. I'm now going to cover questions 1 through 4. So again, if you want to try these problems on your own, please pause the video and then replay them when you're ready to see the solutions. So now you try number 4. What's different about this question than the previous ones is they didn't give us a picture. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to sketch as best we can a right triangle with hypotenuse AB is going to be my longest side, giving me a right angle at C, and that's 26 centimeters. BC has a length of 17.6 centimeters. What is the measure of angle B? That's what we want to know to the nearest degree. So I've drawn my picture. I've labeled my sides. Let's see what we have here. So we have the adjacent to angle B, and we have the hypotenuse. So COA, so that means cosine of angle B equals the adjacent side, 17.6, over the hypotenuse side, which is 26. To undo cosine, we take the arc cosine, so angle B equals the arc cosine of 17.6 over 26, and we go to our calculator. Second cosine, 17.6 divided by 26, and round that to the nearest degree. Angle B is 47 degrees. All right, again, now you try number 5 question. Again, no picture, so we have to draw one. A tree. Here's my tree. Cast a shadow. Here's my tree's shadow. Okay, the shadow is 32 meters long. What is the angle of elevation to the sun? So I'm sketching where the sun would be. Okay, so here's my right triangle. Again, we're trying to get to a right triangle here. That's what we're doing. So our tree is 28 meters tall. The angle of elevation looking up towards the tree, what is that? So what sides are we given in this problem? We have the opposite side to that angle, and we have the adjacent side to that angle. So we have cosine again. So cosine of the angle that we're looking for, you could use x for your unknown, is the opposite side, 28, to the adjacent side, 32. We do the inverse operation, so theta equals the arc cosine of this ratio, 28 over 32, the cosine ratio. So second cosine, 28 divided by 32, 28.9 to the nearest degree, 29 degrees.